This is easy grammar from a Learning English.
For intermediate learners of English. Present continuous and present simple too. I am doing and I do. Present continuous. I am doing. Present simple. I do. We use continuous forms for actions and happenings that have started but not finished. They are eating, it is raining, etc. Some verbs, for example, know and like, are not normally used in this way. We don't say, I'm knowing, or they are liking. We say, I know, they like. The following verbs are not normally used in the present continuous. Like, want, need, prefer, know, realize, suppose, mean, understand, believe, remember, belong, fit, contain, consist, seem. For example,
I'm hungry. I want something to eat. Do you understand what I mean?
Anna doesn't seem very happy at the moment.
think. When think means believe or have an opinion, we do not use the continuous.
I think Mary is Canadian, but I'm not sure.
Not I'm thinking. More examples.
What do you think of my plan?
Means what is your opinion? When think means consider, the continuous is possible.
I'm thinking about what happened. I often think about it.
For example,
Nikki is thinking of giving up her job.
means she is considering it. Present simple. See, hear, smell, taste. We normally use the present simple, not continuous, with these verbs. More examples.
Do you see that man over there?
Not are you seeing.
This room smells. Let's open a window.
We often use can plus see or hear or smell or taste. More examples.
I can hear a strange noise. Can you hear it?
Look, feel. You can use the present simple or continuous to say how somebody looks or feels now. Look, feel.
You look well today.
Or,
You're looking well today.
For example,
how do you feel now?
Or,
How are you feeling now?
but,
I usually feel tired in the morning.
not I'm usually feeling. He is selfish and he is being selfish. His being means he is behaving or he is acting. Compare.
I can't understand why he's being so selfish. He isn't usually like that.
Being selfish means behaving selfishly at the moment. More examples.
He never thinks about other people. He is very selfish.
Means He is selfish generally, not only at the moment. We use am, is, or being to say how somebody is behaving. It is not usually possible in other sentences. For example,
It's hot today.
not it is being hot.
Sarah is very tired.
Not is being tired.
Exercises. Complete each sentence. Choose the correct form of the verb in brackets.
In some countries, the sun shines for just a few hours each day in winter. Let's sit outside. The sun is shining.
More exercises. Complete these sentences. Choose the correct form of the verb in brackets.
Does Tom want to come on holiday with us? He doesn't know yet. He's thinking about it. This fish tastes gorgeous. What sort is it?